This RV is a whole mood. Follow me through and grab the kids' jammies because we're going on a trip. Welcome to the Forest River Campsite Reserve 23LM. Just a shade over 30 feet. You're looking at 6,100 pounds dry. Can sleep up to 2, 4, 6, 8 in this beauty and is highlighted by Over Double Bunks. You got an off-camp bathroom, super slide with a Dinette and an L-shaped kitchen, and a king-size bed in your primary bedroom. We're actually going to start right here in the bunk area. Now, the campsite reserves, one thing you're going to see throughout this coach is going to be storage. Having enough space to hold everything you want to take camping, but more importantly, maximizing on the space around you is, in my opinion, on top of the construction, what makes the campsite reserves stand out. Now, as soon as you walk in, you're going to see you got your solid ladder mounted to your bunk area right here. Over double bunks, and these are the plush mattresses, but more importantly, I like how they gave me a soft cloth versus the teddy bear cover. This is going to make things so much cooler, so much more comfortable. Trust me on that. Over double bunks, you could probably fit 2 adults in here, definitely 2 kids. Square windows, another theme you're going to see in your campsite reserve. Plus you got 110 power, USB charging, and mushroom lights. But check out my storage drawer that I have underneath. Tell me that's not maximizing the space. Even if it were just open, you would have a space to store stuff. Now I have a drawer that slides out, and that is cavernous storage. I could probably fit Dan inside this drawer, as big as this thing is. Now across from there is going to be my off-camp bathroom. Solid door separating me from the space. High-rise bowl. Plus I got the angled vanity with the nice sink, the matte black features. Storage underneath. Mirrored medicine cabinet, also angled in the corner, once again maximizing my space, and tankless water heater. Then for my shower, I actually have a tub surround, so if you do bring the kids or the dogs, you can get them cleaned up in here without splashing stuff all over your flooring. Shower curtain, upgraded handle. Wow, that is nice. That's a really nice upgrade with the multi-head setting and the massage. Very nice feature in a travel trailer, especially in this price point. And skylight with the crystal inlay. I say crystal, it's not actually crystal, it's just clear. So there you go. Even got hangers for my towels, my bathrobes, my hats, whatever you want to put in your RV. Now let's take a look at this kitchen area. As soon as you enter the 23LM, you come into your kitchen area and the bedroom, of course. Mudroom for your shoes down there. Specific spot for your trash can. Love how easy this is and the fact that it's close to the door. Absolutely love that. You also are going to have your command panel. Now, this is where you come to run out your slide, run out your awnings, as well as cut on your tank heaters, because you do have 12-volt pads on this beauty, your lights and your water heater. Check your battery, as well as your fresh, your black, and your gray. And for your tanks, you got a 52-gallon fresh tank, 38-gallon gray tank, and 28-gallon black tank. So 52, 38, 28. It takes me a minute. You also got the Furion 15K BTU AC with the quick cool dump, and it even has the heat strip on it, so it'll act as a dehumidifier when walking through your beautiful 23LM. Pressed surface countertops in this beauty as well. What I like about this layout is when you're talking about the standard Over Double Bunk Super Slide layout, a lot of times the kitchen flow isn't that functional. If I'm seated in the booth dinette, if somebody's walking by, I'm prepping or cleaning, this L shape allows me to have that space to prep without disrupting anybody else. Bar top solid surface, GFCI, plenty of prep space, rounded edges. All right, this hit me in the eye last time. So water cleaner, glass cleaner, and this year they even gave you the brushed nickel on your sprayer faucet with the spring assist. Love that. Bamboo cutting board over top of that stainless steel sink, and deep solid wood drawers on full extension drawer guides. And one thing that a lot of manufacturers do is they don't utilize the space at the end of the kitchen area. Here with the campsite reserves, you got a little bit additional storage space. Remember that theme I was talking about. Hanging storage up top and square windows. Finally, last year when they put these in, man, I started clapping. We got square windows in our house. Why don't we have square windows in our RVs? Well, now you do. Flush 3-burner cooktop here with the glass cover. Doubles as a backsplash for you as well. And you have an air fryer in this bad boy. So your microwave doubles as an air fryer. More storage space there. HVAC controls. Bluetooth AM/FM command center from your cell phone. Just Bluetooth into that. Got your large TV on a swivel. Component shelf, as well as an InnoFlame fireplace. That's multi-flame, multi-light setting. So if the kids or the adults are asleep in here, that'll do a good job of knocking the chill off the air for you. But behind your entertainment center, even more storage. Love the fact that we have that in there. Then when it comes time to enjoy those camp cooked meals, why not sit down at your U-shaped dinette, which is great for sleeping. And the one thing the Campsite Reserves did was they gave you a bigger U-shaped dinette, so it's a little bit longer. As far as width, you'll be able to tell, I'm 6'2", 225. It's still tough to put 4 adults in here, but it will be a little bit easier now that it's longer. But for sleeping, 2 adults can sleep here. Curtains, pleated shade, wood valance, mushroom lights, plush cushions, and yes, and storage underneath both sides of your dinette. I even have some storage right here, so if I need to put periodicals, books, newspapers, kids' hats, shoes, whatever you want to put there. I can even charge my cell phone thanks to the USB-C and A charging. And right behind your booth dinette, U-shaped dinette, is going to be your French door 10.7 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge freezer combo. I love the French door on this because it just opens up the space so much. Yeah, sure, I got door storage. I got the drawer. This to me just feels nicer. You know what else is pretty nice? A bedroom with a king-size bed. Your primary bedroom is highlighted by a king-size bed and tons of storage. Just take a look at the flat front European-style cabinet doors that we have, from the multicolor to the matte black pulls, and the space that we have over here. I got windows on both sides. I got cubby space behind the off-camp storage area. Nightstand space over here. Reading lights that go from the clear light to the blue light, because Forest River loves the blue light, and it is easier on your eyes, so there is a purpose for it. But over here, you'll notice on my shelf, my nightstand, I have a surge protector. So that's going to help me with my sensitive electronics to make sure I'm not burning anything out. And for more storage, you got the cloth bins over here in your storage, and come on now, we're not going to be outdone. How about more storage underneath your king-size bed? All in all, this whole RV is a vibe. And we're 30 feet 1 inch. 30 feet's the cutoff for state parks. Is anybody going to give you grief for the 1 inch? I don't know. That's for you to figure out when you're there, but I don't think they will. Just don't take my word on it, because I don't want to have to comp somebody's state park stay. Anyway, 30 feet. That's a nice space. This flow is very nice. Now let's check out the outside. On the outside of your Campsite Reserve 23LM is going to be highlighted by some of the thickest aluminum panels in the industry, enclosed underbelly and outside kitchen, plus a ton of freaking storage. Right up front, you got some camp conveniences like powered tongue jack, battery box, battery disconnect located here, but also covered from the elements, and twin 20-pound LP tanks. You'll also notice this is on the X9 chassis. That's an upgraded chassis that's also rated for salt exposure for multiple hours. That's just really good if you're down by the coast. It means it won't rust, all that stuff that usually happens when you're talking about salt. Now, the aluminum panels on side of this, not only is this a special style, the coloring with the maroon accents to me really makes it stand out. But there's also a really nice automotive coating on this that not only is going to help protect the fading, it's going to help a little bit with the insulation on this. Mirrored windows, square once again, anti-slam luggage doors with magnet clasps. And you'll see your pass-through storage even has the hangers here. So great for the towels, the bathing suits, the flip-flops, the Crocs, whatever. You do have a solar panel on this bad boy, so right there is your solar charge controller. You got the accessibility panels on this. So if you need to get to the tanks, you don't have to take off the whole bottom. You can just take off that panel. Quick drop stab jacks, extra large awning with the LED light strip, outside kitchen because we do have a bunkhouse. So you got to have the mini fridge as well as the Greystone griddle and grill combo on this. This really opens up breakfast and lunch. And the fact that it's the griddle and the grill, you don't have to buy the grate. Love that. Double axle on these with the Dexter Easy Lube axle and the red drums. You'll also notice they have a green cap on these. That's because that's your tire pressure monitoring on those tires. Solid step over steps leading me into my tempered glass door. More storage in the back. Stab jack in the rear. Quick drop plus 4x4 sewer hose storage. Back of my tankless hot water heater. Ladder prep. Bluetooth backup camera, which is pretty awesome because it's not prepped. There's a camera. Then over here is where you're going to find your 30 amp plug, your terminations, as well as your external shower with hot and cold, your black tank flush, and your water connections. Now on your tanks again, remember we got 52, 38, and 28, fresh, gray, and black. Cable driven slides, the easy slides, I like that. Right here, you really get to kind of see, this was new last year. The first time they ever did this. It looks different than other aluminum sided RVs, and I love it because it just looks more cool. Other side of my pass-through storage and the info panel. That's where you go to see how much does that coach weigh? What's the difference between the gross and the unloaded weight? What are you towing with? How many people you need to sleep? Where are you going to camp? That's the info we need. We'll find the RV of your dreams guaranteed. But at 30 feet, 6,100 pounds, not even 6,100 pounds. The cavernous storage, all those upgraded features, the air fryer, the king size bed, the storage, and the fact that you can only get it at Camping World, this to me moves the family RV to the top of the list of what I need to get if the family and I want to go to the beach, we want to have the kids' game night, the sleepovers, whatever. The Campsite Reserve 23LM. Leave me some comments down below and let me know what'd you think about it, what'd you like about it, where are you going to take it on your first camping trip. And please click like, subscribe, and notify too, so that when you do, you're the first one to get one of these. You never know. You come back from work and the RV of your dreams is waiting in your email inbox, man. It could be just as easy as that. I'm Chris Young for Camping World. Hope you enjoyed the Campsite Reserve 23LM. I'll see you soon.